Alright, so this is workout number 5. It's like workout number 3, but a little bit more complex because we're building off of it, trying to get better. So, it'll be set up the same with 4 cones. Except, in workout number 3, between each one, we do fast feet. Or we do one thing in between all the cones. This is gonna change. So each set of 5 minutes, we're gonna change it up. So then you're doing something else. So for the first 5-minute set, we're gonna be doing fast feet to and from each cone. But then each minute we're changing the move. It might sound confusing, but it's not that bad once you see it. So for the first minute of round 1, we're doing fast feet and then L pull, like what we've done before. Then fast feet, L pull, fast feet, L pull. You want to make sure to use both your feet. Do all the cones. The fast feet are good small touches. Alright, so that's the first minute of round 1. Then you're going to do fast feet. And then, shoot, let me try it again. Alright, fast feet. And you stand up and just with the same foot, you're stopping the ball as you pull it back. So fast feet. I'll slow it down. So you got on top of the ball, you roll it back, and you take a touch and stop it. And then you go. And you'll do that for a minute. And then, so I'm going to refer to those as open the hips, since I don't know exactly what move or what they're called. And then we're going to do what I call tic-tacs, because tic-tacs, not tic-tacs, because you tap it. Alright, so you're going to be doing fast feet to each cone. Then you're going to do another touch and hit it backwards, except not that big. You want a nice little touch so you can turn and go. So like that. Then we'll do fast feet. And then you'll go. And then for the final move for this, we're gonna do fast feet and then pull it back. Fast feet, pull it back. Fast feet, pull it back. And you're gonna do that for a minute. And then you're gonna do juggling for a minute, and that's your break. Because we're trying not to stop between any of those rounds where you're doing moves, because it's high intensity, you're trying to get a lot of touches. So after that minute of juggling, you're going to start round 2, where instead of fast feet to each cone, like that, you're just going to be dribbling. But then you're still going to be doing L pulls for a minute. So everything's the same as round 1, except you're dribbling to each cone. L pulls for a minute, and then you'll be doing the open the hips, where you pull back like this, and then you're dribbling. Open the hips, and you're dribbling. I'll make sure you use both feet, get each cone, do it as fast as you can for a minute, but you want to have good touches, good small touches, since it's a small space. And then, after the open the hips, you're going to do the tic-tac, where you hit it behind. So you're going to be dribbling. Alright, let me do it right this time. So you're dribbling, and then you take a touch, and you do the tic-tac like what you did before. And then you dribble, and then you take the touch, and you tic-tac. So it's exact same. And then after that minute, you're going to dribble, and then you're going to do a pullback. And dribble, and do a pullback using both of your feet. Nice little touches. And then after that, you got your rest, where you're juggling for a minute. Alright, and that's round 2. I might not be explaining it the best way, but it's not that bad. It's like assignment number 3, workout number 3 that we've been doing. And then round 3, instead of what we did in rounds 2 and 1, it's the exact same, but instead we're tapping the ball to each cone. Then we're going to do whatever we have to do, and we're tapping it back. So if it's on the first minute, we'll do L pulls. After that minute, we'll do open the hips, and we'll tap it. Open the hips, and then after that minute, we're gonna do the tic-tac and roll it, or taps, tic-tac, taps, for a minute. And then, for the final one that you have to do, you're doing it, and then you're doing the pullback for a minute. And then you're juggling for a minute for your rest. All of these are a minute long, but they're grouped into rounds where you do the same thing. So it's like assignment 3. It's just a little bit more complex, so we get better and get better touches. And that's it.